Hello, in front of me I've got ROG Spatha X. In this video I'll show you how to manage RGB lighting of your mouse and docking station. In the beginning, let's go to Armory Crate app and go to lighting. Select mouse or wireless receiver docking station. Switch this button to enable or disable RGB effects, and next you can switch RGB mode between static, breathing, color cycle, reactive, rainbow, comet, battery mode, partition, or Aura Sync. Aura Sync synchronizes all of your RGB ASUS devices. Next you can change RGB brightness. And in the end, you can go to Aura Creator. In Aura Creator, you can create your own RGB scheme. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.